Hello traders, good morning and welcome to my channel. So today I'm about to unleash this mad, crazy, insane strategy that I've been working on for a very long time now. Okay, so this strategy is mostly for boom and crash, boom and crash. B1000, B500, crash 1000, crash 500. Okay, we don't use this strategy to trade on the boom 300 or crash 300, please. Okay, so I want to release this video or this strategy right away. You guys should understand that I I don't like copying people's strategies. That's why if you come to my channel, I don't drop videos strategies every day. I always take my time, like a week after, 2 weeks after, depending. I must always come with the best strategy. Okay, so I always do my stuff on my own. I need to come up with my own strategy. I built my own strategy from scratch, from my experience. I'll be working on it for a long time, for like at least back testing and face the live market for like 100 times before bringing it up here. That's why if you check my YouTube channel, you see my strategies are crazy. They are amazing. You cannot see them unless they copy it from me. You cannot see them everywhere here on YouTube. Okay, so I want to tell you guys or show you guys how to use this strategy, right? So please, if you're new, this is your first time to see my channel, or this is your first time to watch my video on YouTube, can you subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with friends, and drop some good comments. All right. And also advise you guys to join the free Telegram channel because a lot of stuff is coming up against next year. 2024 free classes will be coming up like back to back every month, free classes every month. Okay, so I advise you guys to join the free Telegram channel. Okay, and for signals and some other updates like that. Okay, and also join the VIP because we're making money every blessed day on the VIP. The VIP is on fire. Trust me, I'm not joking. The VIP is on fire. Okay, so join the VIP, join our academy to make good money. All right, I can show you guys my students. They are doing amazing. Okay, let me just due to time, I wanted to show you guys my testimonies from my students, like what their experience so far since they met me. Okay, since they started learning from me, I'll show you guys. I wanted to show you guys that, but due to the fact that I don't want this video to be long, maybe we do that in the next video. All right. So, like I said, this strategy is mostly for boom and crash, only for boom and crash. Okay, boom 1000, boom 500, crash 1000, crash 500. Okay, don't trade boom 300 or crash 300 with this strategy. Now, this strategy is just for scalping. Okay, I'm working on the spike catching, how to catch spike with this strategy, but for now we scalp with this strategy. Okay, so I'll show you guys the settings and all the all the parameters. All right, so this strategy is very simple, very simple. Okay, so we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 indicators. All right, but I'll make it very simple for you guys to understand how to use these indicators. Right, it's very simple. Now, like I said, you use it to scalp, boom and crash. Don't catch spike for now. I'm working on that. Okay, so now the zoom level is, we have the first zoom level here and the second. So it's the second zoom level, right? Then it's the second zoom level, right? Then yeah, the screen positioning, you must take it to the middle like this, to the center like this. All right, okay, take it to the center like this. Okay, and you must be very patient when trading with this strategy. All right, when trading with this strategy, you must be patient. Why? Because in trading generally, if you don't trade, being patient, I think, is also a strategy in trading. It's also a strategy because it's a very difficult stuff to do. To wait for market to play out just as you planned is really a big deal. Do you understand? Because you'll be afraid, you might feel like it's going to spike from there, it's going to start going up from there, start going down from there, and you jump in, and then market will still do what you expected market to do. So I think the best things for it to do is to be patient and wait for market to get to the point, your points of interest, for it to make an entry. Okay, so now the first thing you need to do when you making use of this strategy would be focusing here. The first place you need to focus will be the indicator window one. Sorry. Indicator window one. This is our indicator window one. Then after that will be your indicator window two, which is this one here. So on the indicator window one, what are you looking out for? You see, we have the overbought and the oversold levels. So what it means is that when market gets to whatever goes up must come down, right? So when market gets to the overbought level, it will start dropping because it has gone way too far. It will want to come down because market moves like this. Forex market moves like this in waves, goes up, down, goes up, down, lower than the previous level. So market moves like this. So when market gets to the upside like this, at some point it will drop down like this. Then at some point it will start going up again and start coming down again. So it moves in waves, right? So if you understand that, you'll be able to, predict the market, right? So why do we wait for market to get to overbought or over level, depending on the strategy or the asset you're trading on? That's because we know that market moves in waves. So when it gets to a certain level, it will start dropping to create another wave swing level. All right. So this indicator here, these windows here, tells you when market gets to those levels that it's about to reverse and start creating a new swing level, high, swing, or swing high, or swing low. Okay, so now when trading crash with this strategy, you wait for markets to drop to the oversold zone level, which is on the indicator window one, which is the level 10. The level 10 here. So market drops to the level 10. Once it drops to level 10 on the indicator window one, all you need to do is look down here, indicator window 2. Do we have the indicator here down to this point? Do you have the indicator down to this point? Yes, we do have the indicator down to this point. All right. So what you need to do next would be, we have the red indicator here to this level here, and also we have this blue and the green indicator at this level too. All right. So now the first confirmation will be having this one here, touching this level 10, level 20, sorry, touching the level 20 or level 10, depending. So once it touches the level 10, 20 or level 10, and you have these ones here, these three indicators here touching the level 10 as well, the next thing you will do will be waiting to see this blue and green indicator crossing. You need to see the green indicator crossing the blue upward. All right, crossing the blue upward. Okay, from that zone, crossing the blue upward from that level. Then once you get to that, start pushing up again. So what you need to do is open a position at that level, like here. This is where market started crossing. So this would have been your entry here. This level would have been your entry. This would have been your entry from here. Let's say from here. So from that level, so let's see. That's where the crossing started. So from that level is your entry. This red line here, this is your entry here from this red line. So what you're doing, you're taking 5 to 10 candlesticks. I'm saying 5 to 10 because I know some people are so greedy that they want to take 20 candlesticks. So if you can take 5 candlesticks, I think you're good. But if you want to stay and take 10 candlesticks, you can still take 10 candlesticks, because before market gets to this point, it has gone really far due to my settings. I know the settings. That's why this strategy you will not be taking so many multiple trades in a day. But then when you take one is one. Okay, it has gotten to this level. Before market gets to this level, due to my settings, it will take a while. Okay, so once it gets to this level, means it's tired already, wants to reverse, start going up to create a new swing level. Okay, so you wait for market to drop here, and you're taking 5 to 10 candlesticks, and you're out, and wait for market to do the same thing again, and then you move to another asset, maybe move to boom 1000 or boom 500 or crash 500. Okay, at that level. Do you understand? So once it crosses, this green crosses the blue upward, you're making an entry at that point, and you make 5 to 10 candlesticks and jump out. So let's quickly check, maybe crash 500 too. So this is crash 500 right now. Okay, so now when you're doing this, you must make sure that you have both indicators, all the indicators here to this point. Okay, so what I'm trying to say is that if you move your screen to the left like this, and it looks like it has touched the oversold level, then you move up like this, and it moves away, it jumps away from that zone. That means it has not touched that level. So even if you have this one here, even if you have this indicator here, you shouldn't take the trade. So you want a situation where when you move to the left, it's still on that zone, the level 10. You move to the right, it's still on that zone. You move to the front like this, still on that zone. That's when you know that, okay, it has touched the zone. That's when you start buying. Not when you see it like this, it has touched this zone. It just touched the zone. You feel it has, touched the zone. Then when you move to the right like this, it jumps away from that zone. That means it hasn't touched the zone. If you touch the zone very well, even when you move to the front or to the back, it will still be here. It will still be here. I hope you understand what I mean. So when you open your chart and it looks like it has touched the zone, what you need to do is for it to swing, you move to the from here to this level and this level. And if it's still on this zone, touching this level, saying that means for real, it has touched the level 10. You can see what it just did now. You can see the spike that just happened right now. Why? Because it hasn't touched the level 10. It's trying to trick us, right? So once it touches the level 10, okay, when you move it like this, that's why I told you my settings will always let you know that market has gone really far. And with that, you know what to do. So once it touches the level 10 like this, when you move to the front and back, it's on that level 10. That's when you have to buy. But if you didn't touch the level 10 properly, it's lacking. It's lacking. So you need to wait for it to touch the level 10. Even when you swing back and forth like this, it's still on that zone. Then you take the trade. All right. So that's what I'm trying to say here. Okay. So let's quickly check another indicator, another asset. Let's check the 500. Okay, so look at this. This is the 500, and but the mistake, the issue is that this 500 hasn't touched, the RSI has not touched the level 80. So this is not a good one. This is not a good one for me. This is not a good one for me. Trust me, this is not a good one for me. This is not a good one for me. Do you understand? So it hasn't touched the level 80. If it touched the level 80, that shows it has gone really far. That's when you start selling. But if you sell at this point, that doesn't mean it will not sell. It will sell, because when you check 500 does not really move like 1000 moves, all right? But then the settings must be made, like all the conditions must be made for you to make this decision, for you to buy or sell. Okay, so since it didn't touch this level 80 here, then we cannot sell. We cannot sell. It's a trap. To me, it's a trap. So it must touch that level. Let's check boom 1000. So boom 1000 just touched the zone. So the next thing will be if the boom 1000, start dropping, and we have this level coming down. We have the blue and the green indicator crossing each other. That's when we start selling. All right. So let me quickly I think this video will be very long. Let me quickly show you guys the settings for this strategy. Okay, like I said, you can screenshot. We have RSI, we have CCI, we have MA, another MA, and we have RSI. Okay, so the first thing you need to bring into your chart will be, the first indicator will be RSI, this one here. You click and add RSI. Period is 12. Apply to typical price. Levels here, we have 90, we have 10. Okay, you have level 90 and we have 10. The color here will be white if you're using white background. If your chart is white background, you use white. But if it's blue, or if it's black, then you use black. Why? Because I don't want it to be shown, I don't want it to be seen on the charts. All right, so you click on done. Okay, that's the RSI here without the indicator, the inner indicator. All right, then you go back again, you bring the second indicator, which is the CCI, community channel index. You click on it. The period here is 420. You can see the settings. It's crazy. So that before you get to that point, that means it has gotten to the overbought or the oversold zone. Do you understand? So the period is 420. Applied to typical price. All right. Levels here, we have this level is not really important. That's why I have it's at white. I have the level here -10, -100, and 100 if you want to put it. Then style here is black. We use black. Sorry, we use red. It's red, right? So that it will be seen on the charts. Okay, and you click on done. That's the red indicator we have here. The red indicator we have here. Let me check was it P? Okay, that's the red indicator we have right there. Then you go back again. We are adding this one here, MA. The period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Okay, the style is blue. Add blue, and you click on done. Then you go back again. You bring the second MA. Period is 4, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to close. And the color here is that green or lemon, whatever. So you click on done. That's the second indicator here, the green indicator here, this green one here. All right. Okay, then you click on this icon again. I hope you know the icon I'm clicking to bring the indicator. I hope you know the one up there, the F icon. You click on it again, and you're bringing in the last RSI, which is this one, to make the indicator window 2. You don't longer click this plus sign again on where you have indicator window 1. You don't click that plus sign again. What you're doing now, you're clicking a new RSI to create a second window. Okay, you click on the RSI. The period is 12. Apply to typical price. Levels here is 20, 10. You have 80. You have 20. We have 10, and we have 90. You click on done. Right. The color here is blue. This sky blue. Right, so that it will be seen on the charts. You click on done. Okay, so you can see what I'm saying now. Now, remember, you wait here to make sure that we have the 3 indicators here on the level 90, at the level 90. Once it touches the level 90, okay, for boom. Okay, then here you must see the RSI, this blue indicator, at level 80, at least level 80. Then once you see this blue and green indicator crossing each other, start crossing each other down, all right, that's when you start selling. You're catching 5 to 10 candlesticks, 5 to 10 candlesticks, and you're good. All right, so I think if you can catch 5 and jump out, that's fine. Okay, don't have to be greedy. You can take 5, you're good, and you're out. All right, make sure that this RSI touches this level 80. It must touch the level 80 for you to know that it has gotten to the overbought zone. All right, then for crash, let's say crash 1000, say crash 1000, it must touch this zone here, this level here. This one must touch this level for you to buy. All right, if you didn't touch this level, you don't buy. You must wait for it to touch that zone. All right, yeah, then you buy. Once you see a crossover, you can see this green crossing this blue upward. Once it crosses, you're buying, you open a position from that level, you start going up, right? You make your money. Then that's how it is on crash and boom. All right, crash and boom. On crash and boom. Okay, so now once it has, you see the crossover right now. See the crossover right now. So you wait for it to cross. Once the green comes down a bit, you're selling. You're selling, right? You're selling. Once the green comes down a bit, you're selling. So that's how it is, guys. That's how it is. That's how it is, guys. So more money, guys. More money. So like I said, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's be friends. Let's work as a team. That'll be all for now, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.